welcome back to my channel. How you doing? You doing good? You feeling good? I'm feeling good. Y'all gonna be feeling real good after I show y'all how to get these bomb brows. Okay, y'all see it. Nothing too sharp and crazy. I like to keep it real simple and smooth sailing. Okay, so if you're interested in how I achieve these natural brows that I do almost every single day, then stay tuned, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Okay, good. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually clean my brows up a little bit. They are looking a little raggedy shaggedy right now, and I just do this just to make my brows look a lot neater. And I don't do this every time I get ready to do my brows. I just do it when I see like some little hairs peeking through. So I'm gonna get this done, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and brush these brows up just so I can make sure I plucked everything I needed to pluck, and then we're gonna get right into this. Y'all, this brow pencil is like one of the best brow pencils I've ever used. I love the spoolie on it, and the actual pencil part is so flat and precise. It is amazing. And I'm gonna actually show y'all how it goes on. Like, look at that. It looks like a freaking hair. Like, it looks real. This is real, okay? Like, this brow pencil is everything. I love it, and it was only $10, so you can't beat that. But okay, so this is how I do my brows. I start off at the tail first. I go ahead and line the bottom of the tail, and then I line the top. I feel like when I start at the end of my brows, it kind of makes up for the rest. I can easily see how I want my brows to be shaped and how much I want to actually shade them in. So I start at the tail and I work my way towards the front of my eyebrows. Now for the front of my brows, I just do hair-like strokes because my brows are already kind of thick, so I don't need like to shade my brows in a lot because it'll make it look like too bushy. So just to do it to perfection, I just do a couple of hair-like strokes just to make it look a little bit fuller. Okay, we're getting there. Y'all have to keep looking at myself just to make sure my brows are okay, because if you mess with your brows, then you might as well just call it quits, because baby, you just messed up the whole look. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to the other brow and do the same exact thing. Start at the tail of my brow. I go ahead and line it at the bottom and the top, and then I shade in at the tail and then work my way to the front. What I love about natural brows is that the fact that if you want to do these brows, you don't have to put makeup on, because you know sometimes people do their brows and they're so bold, like it only looks right if you put makeup on. But these brows are so natural, you can just do your brows and walk out the house. You don't have to put makeup on, and you can just have some bomb brows and it just brings everything together. You feel me? Look at that. It doesn't look too scary. It's just perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with my ABH foundation just to line my brows up. I'm actually gonna go back in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade beige to go over that ABH foundation to line my brows or conceal my brows, because I thought this was looking a little orange for some reason. I still don't know about this foundation, but if you watched my previous video, this foundation is, I don't know, it's like a hit or miss with this foundation, but I just wasn't feeling the orange look. Like, it's just, I don't know. So I went back over with this concealer and they turned out perfect, so I was happy. Now I'm just going to blend it in with my finger. And that's all I do. That is how I achieve my brows. These are my everyday brows that I do. I love them. Y'all, if y'all have not tried this NYX Precision Brow Pencil, what are you doing with your life? Like, it is so good. It's so precise. It's just bomb. It's all that in a bag of M&M's, boo. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. What are you doing, honey? I'm coming to get you. But love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.